So now let's see how we can add custom web-based links to menus. So to do that, I'm just going to go around onto appearance and customize right here so that I get to the customization piece. And over here, you can see that I got some menus right here. And let's say I want to add a custom link to the menu. In that case, you can go around onto the menus and then create a new menu, or simply go around onto the existing menu and then add in an item. So over here you can see that I have access to pages and so forth, but I want a custom link, so I can go around onto the top, and here you can see that I can simply add in a custom link. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and type in http colon http://www.wikipedia.org right here, just like this. So over here I'm just going to type in wiki and add that to menu right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see the custom link right here. Let me just go ahead and save around the changes right here, just like this. And now this particular link is for linking to Wikipedia page right here. So that is what you have. So let's just go out back right here and then view the actual page now. So I'm just going to go ahead and see this, and as I click on wiki, it actually redirects to Wikipedia, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and add in custom web page links to menus inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.